Hello and welcome back to our channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to our channel, then please hit that subscribe button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so you guys can continue to receive regular updates from our end and you guys do not miss on any of the profitable scenarios that we discuss on a regular basis. Now, without wasting any further time, let us go straight to the charts of gold versus US dollar, GBP versus US dollar, which is the sterling pound versus US dollar, and euro versus US dollar. Okay. Okay, so when we were discussing the market yesterday, market was previously when we were discussing on Tuesday night, market was trading over here, and you guys can clearly see that on Wednesday and Thursday, market followed our rule of our scenario of buying. We were bullish in this gold pair, and you guys can clearly see that market has broken past this previous high and made a new high. And major role of breaking this high is of US data of CPI, which came in negative. So the US dollar dropped, and as a result, the gold raised much more. But it was just as we were expecting the market to behave. Okay, so if you guys would have traded from here, you guys would have made some good profit from here, maybe a stop loss or a break even from here, some profit, and from here a huge profit. Okay, so let me take this trade for you guys. So this will be your stop loss, and your take profit could be potentially over here, giving you guys a 12.2% profit, covering up for any losses that you guys would have made recently. Okay, and then afterwards, this and this candle as well gave us some good buying opportunities, and market is still going towards our positive direction. Okay, so for 12th of July, which will be tomorrow, the Friday, we are still bullish in this gold versus US dollar. So as you guys can clearly see that market has now made a new high. So now and the previous low of the market is approximately over here. So let us figure out that how much market might react if market would have to come down. Okay, so if we take this highest level and this as the lowest level, the 0.5% level is approximately at 2358 level, which is currently our support area. Okay, and you guys can clearly see that our support area is rightly marked, but since this support might not come into play, so we will raise it a little bit and bring it to approximately at this area of 2361, and our zone will cover the area of 2358 level as well. Okay, so if we move the this area at approximately over here, because this market has reacted several times over here, and market will go up approximately somewhere around here. Okay, and our minor area of support will now be approximately, let us see, the minor area of support will be approximately this area. As you guys can clearly see that market has immediately reacted from this area. Okay, and our new area of resistance will now be much bigger, approximately over as the highest point of the market is approximately over here. So market has reacted from this area already previously from here. So and market is currently reacting from this area. So we will push our area of resistance a little bit up. Okay, so yes, something like this. Okay, so now let us move our areas of resistance and support a little bit forward so you guys can easily take trades in this gold versus US dollar. And if you guys do not understand anything, you guys can ask us in the comment section, and we will be happy to help you guys out as much as possible. And if you guys do not understand anything, we always try our best to explain in the simplest possible way, so there is no confusion in understanding. But still there are many things left, and for the newcomers and beginners, there is always something new happening in the market. So we will try our best to cover up for everyone. Okay, so now let me move these areas a little bit down. As you guys can see, that market has draw. This will be our new area of support. Okay, this will be our major area of resistance. Okay, so let me write down the new area of resistance. It will be approximately 2414, 2414, and the top resistance zone is 2422, 2422, and the minor area of resistance is 2379. Minor area of support, sorry, and the major area of support is 2360 and 2350. Okay, so that's all for gold for today. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Let us move to the next pair, which is the GBP USD pair. Okay, as you guys can clearly see that we were bullish in this GBP USD pair, and market has given us so many good opportunities to trade. Okay, so market gave us this opportunity to take a buying entry, then market gave us this opportunity to take a buying entry, and then again over here, and we would have made some amazing profit. So let me take a few trades for you guys so you guys can understand that how much profit you guys would have booked if you guys would have traded accordingly. Okay, so if you guys would have taken a trade of a risky entry from here, your stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and your take profit will be approximately over here, giving a 9.1% profit. And if you guys would have traded after this candle, then you guys would have made a profit of approximately, let me take this trade, this will be your stop loss, and your take profit will be over here, giving you guys a 11% profit. Okay, so huge profits in this GBP USD pair. Now let us move our areas of resistance and support, and you guys can clearly see that market where market is currently trading, we do not have levels available, and market has broken past the previous few highs. So we are extremely bullish in this GBP USD pair. Let us go to the 4-hour chart to look at the areas. Yeah, so previously when market was trading, it was back approximately 1 year back in July when market had broken. Market was trading in these areas. So this is a huge comeback for British pound, which is sterling, and I think that over here we have only this area of resistance approximately at 1.2947. Okay, so let me mark the new areas of support and resistance. Okay, so market will be one. This is the area of resistance now, and this will be the major area. And let me delete this, and the minor area of support will be approximately this area, and the major area of support will be approximately this zone. Okay, so we have marked all these areas on the basis of 4-hour chart. Okay, so now let me move forward the previous scenario so you guys can easily take trades in this GBP USD pair. So let me move forward these scenarios so you guys can also trade this pair easily. And if you guys have any questions, we are always available over here to answer any query. And if you guys are confused anywhere, just do not stay confused for long. We just come to us and discuss your problems with us, and we will try our best. Oh, just wait a second. Okay, so I have moved the scenarios forward, and I have also mentioned the new area of resistance and new area of support. And the minor area of support is 1.284. So just be vigilant from somewhere around here as well. So market might take a reaction from this area as well, and market could very well break this area. Okay, so that's all for GBP USD. Let us move forward to the next pair, which is the Euro USD. So it has also behaved just in the same way as GBP USD behaved. So market reacted from our minor area of support, gave us a huge profit from here till here. So if we take this profit level like this, our stop loss will be just below this previous area. Our take profit will be 1.7, and then afterwards once again market tested this area, gave us a small profit, then tested again, gave us a small profit, and then tested this minor area. And if you would have taken traded from here, then this trade would have given us a huge profit. So let me take this entry. Our stop loss will be just below this previous candle, and our take profit would be approximately till this area, giving us a 9.5% profit. And afterwards market continued to go up, and if we would have traded from here, we would have maybe hit a break even level, and then again market is giving us another opportunity of buying if this candle closes with a green signal for us. Okay, but the areas of support and resistance will be same, because currently market is trading in the same area. So for tomorrow, which is the 12th of July, the area of resistance and support are going to remain same in this Euro USD pair. So let me just simply move forward the scenarios for you guys. So you guys, if you guys have any questions, just let us know in the comment section. And if you guys do not understand anything, we are always here to help you guys as much as possible. Okay, so that's all for Euro USD. I will see you guys tomorrow with fresh scenarios. Till then, if you guys have not yet hit the subscribe button, then please do, and do not miss on the profitable scenarios. Thank you.